I'm going to show you how to make your start menu say something other than start. Because we will be messing with system files, you need to make a backup to make sure that if something goes wrong, you can start your computer. Open your Windows folder and copy and paste Explorer EXE into a safe place on your hard drive. I put it in a folder called Backup directly on my C drive. The next step is to download Resource Hacker. Resource Hacker allows you to directly edit executables. Google Resource Hacker to get to the home page. Then click the download button and download the executable file. The executable file is standalone. You don't need to install anything. Go ahead and open up Resource Editor and open Explorer.exe in Resource Editor. Go to String Tables, find 37 and click the plus button. Click the entry and you can see Start. That's what you're going to change. Highlight Start and type in something else. When you have the text you want, click Compile Script up at the top, then File, Save As, and save it as something besides Explorer EXE. I save mine as Explorer Hack. The final step is to change the registry to point toward the Explorer.exe that you just created. Open the registry editor and navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version, WinLogon. Find the key named Shell, double-click it to change the value, and change the value to whatever your new Explorer is now named. Now restart your computer. And that's how to change your start menu to something other than start.